Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Baskets. Join us as we begin flipping the farm. Good morning.
Good morning. It's Saturday.
So we're in week 10 already. Can you believe it?
Wow.
10 weeks in, yeah. So this week should be a pretty, sorry, we're driving obviously, and it's really bumpy. This week should be pretty big week, or will it be?
Well, that's a big week for our personal family.
Yeah, it's
but
wedding
not
week.
the farm.
Yeah, so I don't know if you'll see as much farm related stuff this week or more wedding stuff. Mike's got to build an arbor arch type thingy for the backdrop. I've got to work on some centerpieces, but today he's going to be, what are you going to do today at the farm?
Well, I'm looking forward to putting together the front door with the frames around it, and I've got to, put a big old header up there, so it's going to be a little work today, but it should look really good.
So today we are just unboarding the front door space, and then we're going to frame it in like Mike mentioned earlier. We're not going to actually install the front door. Too many things could go wrong, and it could get glass shattered or whatnot. So we're just getting it prepped and ready for installation a little later down the road.
It'd be easy to come in here if you were building a wall by itself and just slap it up here, but unfortunately we're dealing with cutting out spaces and having leftover pieces and all that. So I just wanted to share that with you because these walls are 7 1/4 inches thick. We've got to use a bigger piece, then we're going to have to put another piece up next to it. So it's a little bit longer of a process, so that's why it takes a little bit longer.
So I just help out as much as I can when it comes to this kind of stuff, holding up boards and all. And you guys, he is so stinking good. This was level the very first time we put a level up on it. And yeah, we had to give a little celebration victory dance here for that. And we got a little crazy with the air guitar stuff going on here. It was really funny. We were both like crying, laughing, or at least I was. So again, we just like to have a lot of fun while we work. We had to run one of the boards through the planer to create the bottom plate and levelness and all. And this, what we have going on here is a little funny too, but we're about to explain it to you.
What you doing, babe?
Want to see how much sawdust? Am I covered?
You are.
Sawdust?
So Karen had this brilliant idea.
Hey, it was brilliant.
It was a brilliant idea. I'm saying it was a brilliant idea. We ran it through one time and I've already picked up a bunch of shavings.
We don't have a bag for our planer, so look how much sawdust.
We had to poke holes in it to let air through, but yeah.
This is from one board.
Those are just the shavings.
From one
Unreal.
board. Look at that.
Unreal. That could have been all over our porch, but Karen's so smart. Say cheese for the camera.
And this was pretty much an all-day affair here. But once we got it all framed in, it was so fun to just step back and look at it and totally picture our front door there. All right, so our guys from Aspen Plumbing came out and marked all of the places where they're going to be cutting up concrete. Well, actually, our neighbor on our current street is going to be cutting that all up. So Aspen came, marked it all, got it all prepped and ready, and then neighbor came in and cut the concrete. They got to come back to jackhammer it all up. So at the beginning of the week, we mentioned that we're going to be doing some wedding things. Well, here's the arch that Mike built for our daughter's wedding, and I stained it. And then these are some fresh farm cut logs that we'll be using for table centerpieces. Mike had to spend a little extra time up here in this particular section, adding some support pieces that are lined up with the studs so that when he removes the old siding and puts our new hardy board on, the 4x8 sheets will have something straight and centered to attach to. On Wednesday, the guys came and jackhammered up the floor, as you see here. And this just does not look like much fun to me because that is a whole lot of work. But our guys from JR&B Construction did this for us. They did an excellent job getting that concrete removed. And we were just really thrilled to come over and see that this was finally getting done. Hey there.
Howdy, howdy.
So today is Wednesday. We've already been here a couple of times today to check on things. It's Wednesday night, actually. And we just stopped by because our guys that were doing the jackhammering and concrete removal were here all day today. And this is what we just stopped by to find. They cut out our bathroom window right here.
I didn't have to do it.
Yeah, Mike's really happy because he did not have to use the masonry saw for that. So our guys took care of that. And then they leveled out this ground back here for us. That was really nice. A little extra something, something for us. And then I'm gonna take you inside. Oh goodness, we've just had a lot going on. So we haven't got to be here much at all this week. So let's go inside and see. Oh, got to turn a light on. Okay, so here we are inside, and oh, they took out all the concrete. Like, they busted it up and they removed it and put it in the dumpster. Is that exciting to you or what?
I'm telling you what, if the reason this house has not had any cracks in it at all is because of the thickness of this concrete, 6 inches deep in some places.
Wow. Yeah. Excellent foundation in this house, that's for sure. Look at that.
Now the plumber can come in and do his job.
Let's see. Here is the bathroom, master bath. This was forgot to tell you, laundry room, mud room, bathroom, all that in here. Okay, so master bath has been all jackhammered up and removed. So exciting. And then here's the little trail over to the kitchen. Yes, this is really exciting because once again, one step closer to the next thing. All right, so this is where we're gonna leave you hanging this week because once again, it is wedding week. We have so much going on that we have to continue preparing for. Today was a really big day with family in town and all, but we have a lot of big, fun, exciting things that we cannot wait to share with you guys next week. So once again, we hope you're loving the vlog. We want you to like, subscribe, share it, and just don't forget to ring that notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you have a super great, incredible, blessed weekend.